How to remove business account from Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. You will then be led to settings and activity of Instagram, so scroll down and under For Professionals tab, you will see the option for Business Tools and Controls. Tap on that and then tap on the Switch Account Type option you see there and then tap on the Switch to Personal Account option. In the confirmation that appears, tap on the Switch to Personal Account option, and with this, business account will be removed from your Instagram. Now, if you go back to your profile, you will not see the professional dashboard anywhere, which basically means that the business account has been removed. So this is how you can remove business account from Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.